Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for exploring the latest and greatest in tech. I'm your host, and today, we have a game-changer in the world of printers. The Brother MFC-J4335DW INKvestment Tank all-in-one color printer. Get ready for a revolution in printing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our tech reviews. Let's dive in. Are you tired of constantly running out of ink and rushing to the store? The Brother MFC-J4335DW has your back with up to 1 year of ink right in the box. Yes, you heard that right. You'll experience uninterrupted printing, exceptional savings, and unbeatable convenience with the 4 cartridges provided. Let's talk tech. This printer features groundbreaking INKvestment Tank technology. The internal tank pairs up with re-engineered ink cartridges to eliminate manual refilling. Say goodbye to the hassle of refilling and hello to worry-free, convenient printing, all while maintaining a compact, desktop size. Now, let's talk cartridges. These front-loading, plug-in INKvestment Tank cartridges hold more ink than traditional ones, ensuring you get more pages without needing to refill. And when it's finally time for a replacement, it's as easy as swapping out the empty cartridge for a new one. No waiting, no mess. Take control of your printing experience with the Brother Mobile Connect Cubed app. It puts the power of printing at your fingertips. You can easily navigate on-screen menus for printing, copying, scanning, and even device management, all from your mobile device. It's simple, efficient, and incredibly user-friendly. Less frequent ink replacement, more convenience. With large page yields, you won't be rushing to replace ink cartridges often. Choose Brother Genuine Standard Yield for up to 3000 BK, 1500 CL pages. Or go High Yield for up to 6000 BK, 5000 CL pages per replacement INKvestment Tank cartridge. And if you want to avoid ever worrying about running out of ink again, consider the Refresh Easy Print subscription service and save up to 50% on ink. This printer offers versatile connectivity options, including built-in wireless, Wi-Fi Direct, and USB interface for local connection to a single computer. It even works with Alexa, making your printing experience more seamless than ever. So, what sets the Brother MFC-J4335DW apart? It's not just about printing, it's about convenience, efficiency, and reliability. With features like an automatic document feeder, adjustable paper tray, and the Brother Page Gauge, estimating remaining pages and ink levels is a breeze. To wrap it up, the Brother MFC-J4335DW INKvestment Tank all-in-one color printer is here to make your printing experience hassle-free, cost-effective, and efficient. No more last-minute ink emergencies. If you found this review helpful or if you're already a proud owner of this printer, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews like this one. Until next time, happy printing, and stay tuned for more fantastic product reviews.